Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about thermal fluid heater. What is a thermal fluid heater? It is a type of industrial heating process in a various industrial heating system used for a heating process in various industries. Usually, it is a heating system which used in various industries, like a heat exchanger and for other processes which require heat as a medium. At the bottom, it is an image of a thermal fluid heater. We have a burner which is in a red color, and we have a storage tank which helps to store the fluids. And we have a pump which helps to pump the liquid into the thermal fluid heater. We have a control system. We have a valve. We have an inlet and outlet for fluid flows. Let us see the working of a thermal fluid heater. It is a type of indirect heating system in which a liquid phase heat transfer medium is heated and circulated to one or more heat energy user with a closed loop system. Basically it's operated in a closed loop system, which is like it will alterate by the output how it given to the fluid, and it will be corrected by itself. The thermal oil or water are a common heat exchanger medium for this system. Basically, it uses oil or water as a medium. Actually, a thermal fluid heater has another name called heater oil, and heat output will be 50,000 kilocalories to 5 million kilocalories by hour. This thermal fluid heater will act as a closed loop system. A closed loop system is nothing but it gets a feedback by its output is called as a closed loop system. If it is output, there will be an less heated, it will alter by itself by to the controller and increase the temperature as a process required to the system. Let us see the working pictures of a thermal fluid heater. First image, as I said earlier, we have a burner and we have a two inlet and a outlet, and we have a control panel, and we have a temperature gauge, and we have a pump, and we have a storage tank at flow. And the second image, we can see that a fluid is pumped to the coil in the heater. Then the fluid is circulated through the pipe, and the burner is started to running, and it create a heat by an indirect method, which is a convection heating method. And we have a temperature indicator which indicates a temperature is known as a temperature transmitter. And the temperature was presetted on the controller, and a fluid gets its temperature and it will be go to the outlet heater nozzle in a thermal fluid heater. And we can control the whole process by the control panel with the specific temperature of the process which is required for the system. Let us look at the application of a thermal fluid heater. It is used in the chemical industries to maintain and control the temperature of a chemical process to ensure the product quality. Usually it is used in the chemical industries to maintain the temperature it's required for the process. That helps to ensuring the product quality. It is used in oil and gas for a crude oil heating for a oil refinery separation process and improve the efficiency of a downstream refining operations. It also used in oil and gas for heating of crude oil, which helps to separation of various petrochemical product. Food processing used in deterioration process of edible oil production, where the precise the temperature control is crucial for maintaining the product quality. For a food process industries to maintain the temperature of the product, and that ensure that helps to ensure the product quality as well. And plastic industries for molding to provide the heat for maintaining the temperature of molds in an injection molding process. For plastic manufacturing industries, that helps to maintain the temperature of the molds that used in plastic industries or for the people uses. That helps in the product quality. And it also used in many industries like paper industries, textile industries, pharmaceutical industries, renewable energy, and rubber industries, and metal industries, etc. for maintaining the temperature and where heat is required with the low maintenance. Let us look at the advantages of thermal fluid heater. It provides a precise temperature control, which is crucial for a process requiring a specific temperature range. It provides a constant temperature where the process requiring a specific temperature range to work the process. It has a high thermal efficiency, which ensure the efficiency of energy utilization and minimize the heat loss during the heating process. And a thermal fluid heater are versatile and it can be used in various industries. It is a closed-loop system which minimizes the risk of contamination and ensure the purity of a heat transfer fluid. Basically a closed-loop system which minimizes the risk, as I said earlier about what's meant by a closed-loop system. Basically, it gets feedback from the output. It can be controlled by the output if it's high or low. It can operate at a high temperature and, as I said earlier, a low maintenance due to the closed-loop system. Let us discuss about a few disadvantages of a thermic fluid heater. The initial capital cost of installing a thermal fluid heater can be high. For installation and for a service, it is a cost will be high. It can operate at a high temperature. They may have a limitation compared to a direct fire system in extremely high temperature applications. As we compare to the direct fire system, it is an indirect fire system. So if we compare with the both, the temperature application will be less compared to the direct fire system. Although the system is closed, there is a potential for fluid leakage. As we know that a fluid or thermic fluid heater has a closed system, but it has a potential for fluid leakage also possible in some cases. Some heat transfer fluid used in the thermal fluid heater can be flammable, requiring additional safety measurement to prevent a fire assaults. As we know, in a system, it's working as a closed system where its fluid has been reused. It goes to the different heat exchanger, and again it comes to the thermal fluid heater. It may have a chance of flammable. Additional safety measurement to prevent a fire assault is necessary for the thermal fluid heater working in a larger system. It is a complex while handling and maintaining the heat transfer fluid, including addressing the issues such as fluid degradation and potential leakages. It is very complex in handling and maintenance of the thermal fluid heater compared to some other direct fired system. So finally, a conclusion. Thermal fluid heater has been used in various industrial areas, but safety measurement also required for the thermic fluid heater in working in a process like oil and gas, which is has a maximum stored area has been placed. To reduce that, we need to be take safety measurement and preventions of assaults. And that's all about a thermic fluid heater. Thanks for watching. See you in the another video.